everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Andrew. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below para every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong videos ko, updated kayo. For today's video guys, itutour ko kayo sa room namin or sa house namin for almost 2 weeks. So I'm going to give you a quick look of our temporary home dito sa Daanbantayan. So pasok tayo guys, ito po yung entrance ng bahay namin or your temporary house namin dito sa province. So ito po yung gate nila guys. Pasok tayo. Let's go in. And this is our home. Yan. So tara, pasok tayo sa aming bahay. So this is the outdoor area. So pwede po kayo dito magtambay-tambay during nighttime at during daytime. And this is the entrance. Wow, this is the first thing that you'll see. The sala. Yan. At yung mga kasama ko. Hi Jones, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi Tel, good morning.
Welcome to us Lipat Bahay Go.
Lipat bahay kang pala to.
We're going to make lipat on our fourth place.
Wow,
Charot.
ano yung tour? Provincial tour.
Alibutin natin ang buong barangay ng north and south.
And ito na po yung sala namin. Yan. Dito po kami tumatambay. Yan. And these are the windows. Punta natin guys yung room namin guys. They have 2 rooms dito sa bahay na to. Ito po yung first room. This is our room. Yan po. It's a very spacious room guys. So may windows din dito. Yan. And a big aparador. Ito po yung sura ng aparador namin guys. So you can hang your clothes here. Dito po. Put your clothes here. Clothes. Or anything that you want. And dito din may compartment din sa baba. Yan. At pwede nyo ilagay yung shoes sa baba din guys. And ito guys, wala siyang susi. So nakalimutan natin mag-ask kay owner, kay mommy owner. So yan po, hindi namin na-open na. So ito na po yung aparador namin and this is our room. Yan. 360 na to guys. And the ceiling. Ito po yung ceiling namin. Parang may view talaga pa. Yan. And the door. At meron ding isang or dalawang sockets dito guys. So you can plug in your devices. Cell phone, laptop, anything that you might want to charge. So let's go to Cristel's room. So yung room ni Cristel, nasa harapan daw natin guys. Yeah. Next door. Ta-da-da-da! This is Cristel's room. She has a big bamboo bed. Yan, kawayan na bed guys. And windows. At meron din pang lagay ng aircon dyan guys. At may socket din silang isa for the aircon. At dito banda may aparador. The big aparador. Yan. Same yung sa amin. May 1, 2, 3 compartments at pwede nyo din ilagay yung shoes nyo sa baba or any belongings. And the second door. Ta-da-da-da! Oh, hindi na ma-open. So ito po yung other aparador guys. So meron siya 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. Yan. Ito na yung room ni Cristel guys. Ito po. At meron silang lamp. So ito sa loob. at doon sa labas. Yan. So ito na pa yung room ni Cristel. Yun na pa yung room namin, guys. These are the 2 bedrooms dito sa bahay. Let's go to the kitchen area. Come on! Ito na pa yung kusina namin, guys. This is the lavabo. At ito po yung faucet namin. Malakas yung agos ng tubig. Sabi ni Cristel, pag gabi daw, mas malakas daw yung power niya. Wow, power! Yung agas. Dito sa taas, guys, may isang compartment din, guys. You can put all of the stuff here dito sa taas. At pwede nyo sabi dito yung keys nyo or ano ba. At yung malapit sa kusina, guys, nandito yung CR namin. So, they only have 1 CR. Ito po. So, they have another faucet. Talagyan ng sabon. Another window. And this is the bowl, guys. Ito po. At meron siyang lights din dito sa loob. Yan po. So this is our comfort room. Yan. And our kusina. Punta tayo sa other door. Let's go outside. At ito po yung isang kusina namin na nasa labas. Yung dirty kitchen. Hindi namin ito nagamit. So ito po. At may lights din dito sa labas, guys. Yan. Sa harapan ko, guys, ito po yung garage namin. Wow. Kung may car kayo, pwede kayong mag-park ng car nyo dito, guys. So they have a big space here. Yan. At pwede na din kayong magsabit ng mga damit nyo dito sa loob. Yan. May sampayan sila dito. So dito kami nagsasampay ng mga damit namin, guys. Before I forget, guys, meron din dito faucet sa labas. Yan. So pwede din kayo dito maglaba. Dito na pa yung itsura ng backyard namin, guys. And as well as the parking area. At sampayan area. And the laundry area. Yan po. This is just another open space. Yan po. Ito na po yung temporary home namin dito sa Daanbantayan for almost 2 weeks. Yan. Na-enjoy ko talaga yung stay ko dito, guys. I hope we can stay here longer. But unfortunately, we have to go back to the city. Before I forget, the cost for 1 month, guys, kung magrenta kayo dito sa bahay na to, it only costs for 5,500 1 month. Separate na din yung tubig, yung bill ng tubig at yung bill ng kuryente, guys. Kung magdala kayo ng modem dito sa Daanbantayan, guys, malakas yung signal during nighttime yung Globe at during daytime yung Smart. That is it, guys. Ito na po yung temporary home namin for almost 2 weeks dito sa Daanbantayan. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the place, and if may mga questions kayo, suggestions, just comment down below. Don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe na din. So see you on my next video, guys, or my next vlog. Paalam na. Bye!